Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how you're gonna remove this nasty smell coming out from your AC vent when you turn your AC. Well, I have another video where I showed you how to remove filters and spray the can, you know, from the filter side and doing all of that. But now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make an access port with a tube and everything, where next time if you guys have a smell again, then it's gonna be a lot more easier to remove that smell and without even removing anything from your car, without removing the filters, without removing your fan or anything like that. And for the purpose, we're gonna use this cool lid guy. It's too sunny, boom, right here. This guy, it comes from Amazon, and I'm gonna put everything in the link down below for you guys if you guys want to get it directly from Amazon. But basically, guys, see that it comes with a spray can and everything. And the most important thing is this little tube. This little tube is gonna be our great success in this video. Okay, guys, so first thing is to move the seat all the way to the back. Second thing is to remove, if you guys have, you know, like a floor mat like me, remove the floor mat. Boom, check. Then next thing is to remove this underneath tray. Okay, guys, so after removing the 4 screws, which is this guy, and this guy, and then right here in the back we have another guy, the tray comes back down, or the belly. Then we have this connector right here. You guys squeeze it and pull it out of this guy right there. Then we have this guy right here. It basically just slides like that in the back, just push out, and you guys can see it's out, and basically the tray is free to come out. And then just basically work your way around and just pull it out. When you get your tray out, just put it aside. So after removing the tray and everything, now the next step is to pull your carpet down. So let me show you up close. Right in there, this carpet right here, you just guys need to, you know, force it down a little bit. Then right there, you guys see this tube? Yep, this basically is your drain right there. So now when we know where the drain is, right here, this is a perfect spot. Hope you guys can see that right above that drain. We're gonna do a hole, a 1/4 inch hole. We want to drill this hole here manually and slowly so we don't punch any hoses in the condenser inside of the car, because if you guys do that, then it's a big job and you guys don't want to do that. We want just to make a small hole right here on the side, right next to, you know, the radiator or the condenser on the inside. You got it, guys? Okay, let's do it. Let me show you. I looked right here and I'm thinking actually right here is gonna be a better spot, and I'm gonna explain you why. Because down here I believe the space is too tight, so we're not gonna be able to fill up the entire space here with foam. So we're gonna drill a hole right up here, right there. Let me show you slowly but surely. Our hole is good to go. Boom. And now let me show you what's on the other side of that hole. So I have this little portable camera that is gonna go straight into that hole, and you guys gonna see on my phone what do we see on the other side. So which is right there. You guys can see the phone. So now you guys can see pushing the camera in, and on the other side, boom, we have the radiator, and you guys can see how it slopes down. So that's a perfect spot. You guys cannot beat that. You guys can see we can go in and in. Okay, so now we're gonna pull it out, and you guys right here can see my measurement roughly from here to here. Even if I get just a little bit, that's still gonna be enough. Let's measure that real quick. So looks like I have like 6.5 inches I can go in. So let's call it 6 inches, just to be exact. We're gonna get our tube, measure 6 inches from there to there. So now you guys need to mark it. We have the mark right here. You guys can see, you guys can do a tape or whatever you guys like. I did a pen. The mark is right there. Then the next thing is you guys need to get 1/4 inch plugs. Once again, I'm gonna include those in the description from Amazon. So you're gonna grab one of these guys. After grabbing your plug, now we're gonna do, you guys can see how the plug is. I grab a T15. If you guys have something else, I just push from the bottom straight up and I punch the hole. Now we have our tube with the mark and everything. We're gonna grab it and we're gonna push this black end into our plug. Well, I'm thinking probably it's gonna be easier just to push it. Boom, just like that. Just work it out, flip it, and boom. You guys can see we have the plug and our mark. Perfect. So now we're gonna do a deep cleaning right now. So I'm gonna shove my hose through the hole right through there, all the way in, all the way to my mark. Now I'm gonna grab my can. We're gonna shake it pretty good. We're gonna grab the cap, put it in, and basically fill up everything that we can on the inside. Let me check just to make sure. And this one didn't came out. Nope, it's perfect. Okay, now we're just gonna fill it up. Be careful because it seems like we are about to get foam out of the hole. So we're gonna put a rack. So I'm gonna go even deeper. That's it. We are all in. As you can see, it's just a little bit. That's it. Now we're gonna grab the rack and wipe the hose. I'm gonna grab the camera, guys, just to show you. Hopefully you guys can see. Just to show you. We're gonna be able to see anything on the inside. Nothing, because everything is full with foam. You guys can see. Everything is full with foam. Perfect. That's what we want. Now we're gonna wait for 15 minutes. We're gonna let the chemical to do the magic. 15 minutes are passed. For you guys was super fast. But now let's check and see how we're looking on the inside. Seems pretty good. The foam is gone, which that's what we want to do, you know, that's what we want. Now to show you where actually the foam went. Foam actually went right there. You guys can see that red spot right there. It went straight down to the drain and out. So now the next thing is to turn the car on and get the AC, you know, turned back on a slow speed, so we can continue, you know, drain the whatever liquid we have left. But let me show you now what we're gonna do. We are gonna do this one time only. Now we're gonna take this out. We're gonna grab our plug. We're gonna put our black hose like that, and now we're gonna put it in and seal the hole. Boom, just like that. Boom, just like that. Now the hole sealed with that plug, and we have this hose here for the next time if, you know, that smell comes back. So now we're gonna run this hose probably like that, and then I'm gonna hide, you know, probably like that. I think this is gonna be the best way so it doesn't get kinked or anything. And now I'm gonna hide this nozzle, you know, right here. I'm gonna take this guy out, boom, and now we're just gonna put it just like that. So next time, I hope there is not gonna be a next time, but just in case next time comes up, I'm just gonna, you know, basically, as you can see, just lift up this guy a little bit, and now I can connect my new bottle to it right here and just spray it. Boom, good to go. Now I'm gonna put everything back together as easy as a 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, so good. So now let me show you. You guys probably not gonna have this guy, or if you have it, same thing for you guys. So as you can see, I just need to pull a little bit over here, pop this guy a little bit, and then you guys can see right here, I have my hose right there. So if I ever, you know, need to use it, you just basically, I'm gonna grab my, you know, cool it, evaporator cleaner, basically just like that, plug it in, boom, squeeze it, and it's all good. It is all good, guys. Okay guys, so now we need to start the car. Okay, we're gonna get the AC all the way to go, low speed, AC on, and then basically we're gonna drive home, you know, with the AC all the way down in a low speed, so we can let all the chemical to evaporate and to drain out through the vent down underneath the vehicle. There we go guys, another project, another success, and everything going pretty good. If you guys want to wait for 5 minutes being outside of the car so you guys don't breathe any of the chemical, you know, or I'm gonna lower my windows down, I'm gonna drive home. Once again, I am not an expert of any kind. Like you guys can see, I'm doing stupid things and I'm trying to get my life a lot easier and better with all those little tricks. With that said, thank you so much guys for watching this video. don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. The most important thing, guys, if I can do it, you guys can do it. I'll see you on the next one.